Dear learners and audience, how are you everybody? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to welcome my learners of HSC. That means HSC first year or Alim first year students who has admitted recently in the institutions. In this corona situations, it is very unlucky matter of us of all of us that we could not attend or we could not present with them learners of HSC. That means HSC first year or Alim first year students who has admitted recently in the institutions. In this corona situations, it is very unlucky matter of us of all of us that we could not attend or we could not present with them in the classrooms. So we have to take alternative way to introduce themselves, and all of us are a bit unhappy because of this ever situation. So welcome to all my HSC learners or class 11 learners in my online class. Today, first of all, I would like to welcome them. Welcome to you, the Alim or HSC first year students. So, in this beginning or orientation of the class, today I shall discuss something personally and something from my subject English second paper, and I think in the beginning you will be happy to learn something, and I am going to take a very easy and familiar topic of language, as language learning is very important for the all language learning is very important for all of us, and I have decided today to do something to give you something very familiar and very important things which is necessary for your language learning. And especially English language is, English language is very necessary for all of us, and we have practice this language for our day-to-day life, especially in our social, in our educational, and in our working sectors. All everywhere English is very necessary, and we have to learn this very cautiously and practice it, use it in different situations, and as a result we have to learn this language and use it in our everyday life. So first of all, I am going to introduce myself. I am Rizwanul Khair, lecturer English, Chorlokhiganj, Nazaria, Fazil Madrasa. So it's my beginning, and after all, I would like to know about yourselves and your names and where are you from. Then you can share it with me in online, that is you can introduce yourself in inbox, and we shall understand or know each other, and we may be familiar with each other, and it will be helpful for our language learning teaching activities. So let's start with our new topic. So dear learners, here today I have taken or selected from you for you from the very beginning of the grammatical item sentence structure, and you need to know what is sentence, how a sentence is made, and what types of sentence are these and how are they helpful to make our sense clear. Now let's start. What is sentence? Sentence is a complete phenomenon of making a clear sense. That is, what do you want to say to something that he understands you, then you have to make a clear sense or give a clear sense, and it is the way, and this sense is pronounced to by some words, and that is some words when some words make clear sense to others, then it is called sentence. That means more than one word or more than one words make clear meaning to others, then it is called sentence. And as in our Bengali language, here we express itself in this way that যে শব্দ বা শব্দ সমষ্টি কোনো একটি প্রসঙ্গে পরিষ্কার অর্থ প্রকাশ করে তখন তাকে সেন্টেন্স বলে। আই রিপিট ইট, যে শব্দ বা শব্দ সমষ্টি কোনো একটি প্রসঙ্গে পরিষ্কার অর্থ প্রকাশ করে তখন তাকে সেন্টেন্স বলে। দ্যাট ইজ sentence is related to clear meaning, clear sense of a language, and what do you want to express to some things, then you have to make a perfect sentence. And you need to know, if you use some words with irrelevant way, or that is it is not arranged in proper way, then it won't be a sentence. And you must follow some rules to make a sentence. If you don't follow this, then it will not be understandable to others. So you have to know how a sentence is made in correct structure and follow the correct grammatical rules, then it will be a very meaningful sentence. And as a result, in English language we say that it is the base structure of a language is subject, verb and object. Subject, verb and object. Then I will show it in next time. Then first, in a sentence we divide, or grammarian divide, two parts, and this is one is in English language, first part is subject and second part is predicate. That is subject in Bengali word uddesho, predicate in Bengali word diteyo. What is subject? Subject is it is very important to know. And what is predicate? It is also important to know. So here I am showing you that in some sentences what is subject and what is predicate. You will be very easily understand this. Look over here, the sun rises in the east in a sentence, and second sentence, Hina reads in class 11, and third one is Asad and Pradesh are colleagues. Once again, the sun rises in the east. Second part, Hina reads in class 11, and third one is Asad and Pradesh are colleagues. Look over here, these three sentences make clear meaning, and these are perfect sentences. Here look in these sentences, the sun, here this is subject, and rises in the east, this is predicate. And Hina is subject and reads in class 11, predicate. And third one is Asad and Pradesh, this is combined word, and it is subject, and are colleagues, predicate. So look over here, what is subject? when someone wants to say something, this is called subject, and when subject is and what is predicate? When someone wants to say something of subject, this is called predicate. That is, in a sentence there are two parts. First part is subject, second part is predicates, and subject will be noun or pronoun, and after noun and pronoun, verb subject, from verb to other word is predicate. So these are the main separation of a sentence. First part is subject and second part is predicate. Now we are going to discuss on different types of sentence. Dear learners, now I am going to show a sentence for your better understanding of a sentence, that when some words are written in one by another, then it cannot be a sentence if it doesn't follow the rules of sentence. Look, a sentence of mine, that is, if I say that we are practicing language, we are practicing language, if we write here in that way, that language we are English practicing. Look, here we have written 5 words. Language are English we practicing. Can it make a clear meaning? No. These words are one type of hodgepodge. That is, there is no meaning of this sentence because they are not arranged in grammatical rules or grammatical, and this they don't give us clear meaning. So we have to follow the grammatical or structural rules, and in this way that it make a clear meaning. Then if we write in arranging order, then you will be very easily understand this, that what is sentence and what is not sentence. That is, we are we are practicing English language. Now we are practicing English language. Then here we have got subject, and all of these are predicate. That is, when someone says something of someone, then this is subject, and when someone says something of about subject, then it is predicate. And these are and in English language the basic or main structure is subject plus verb plus object. Subject plus verb plus object. Here, as if I give an example, then it will be very clear to us that subject, as for example, she sings a song. Here, she, subject, verb, sings, and object, a song. Here, she sings a song. This is a sentence, and here it follows the basic structure of the language: subject, verb, object, subject, verb, object. And remember this. This is verb. This is very vital part of a sentence. In English language, every sentence must have verb. In a sentence, there might not have subject or object, but verb is mandatory. You can make a sentence using subject and verb. Only using subject and verb. If you don't use to object, then it will be a sentence. And if you don't use subject in imperative sentence, you will see that subject is not shown, then it also will be a subject. And if you only use verb, then in a word it might be a sentence. So we have to remember this. The basic structure of a sentence is subject, verb and object. Now I am going to show you 5 types of sentence. Dear learners, we have discussed what is sentence and parts of sentence, subject and predicate, and we have also discussed the basic structure of language or English language, that is subject, verb and object. And based on the meaning of a sentence, there are 5 types of sentence, and these are kinds of sentence, that is statement or assertive sentence. Statement or assertive sentence. Second one is question or interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence, optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. And as the class is getting longer and I will not lengthen the class. So in the next class or next video, I will show and discuss based on kinds of sentence. And today I am going to finish my class, and I think all of you will be hale and hearty and pray for us for the adverse situation, as we can overcome these problems and keep in peace in your mind and be well. So thank you everybody, and follow our classes and our instructions, and as a result you can get a big benefit from our class, as there is no class in our institutions. And I will hope and expect from you to follow the classes and practice it for your betterment of language. Thank you.